Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where we get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news. American inflation and consumer spending remain at levels above where the US Fed needs them to be. But first, actual American jobless claims came in at a low 192,000 last week, lower than expected, and they're now under 1.8 million people on these benefits. US PCE inflation was confirmed at 3.3% in July, and American personal income rose by 0.2% from the prior month in July after a 0.3% increase in June. Meanwhile, personal spending jumped by 0.8% in July from June, the most since January and above market expectations. In China, their official August PMI is out. Their factory activity gauge improved marginally in August, but was still below the 50-point mark that separates a contraction from an expansion amid a global economic slowdown and sluggish domestic demand. Their service sector expansion cooled again and is barely above the 50 benchmark now. In China, the minimum deposit for a home purchase is currently 30%. They're moving to bring it down to 20% for first home buyers after defining this very loosely. Interest rates are falling too. These are practical steps for the previously announced loosening to try and get their housing markets functioning again as an engine of growth. And India released its second quarter 2023 economic growth data, and it came in at an impressive 7.8% from a year ago. But it has to be noted this is dominated by investment activities. Last week, container freight rates resumed their falls, although it was only minor in the latest update. Bulk freight rates were unchanged. The US Treasury 10-year yield will start today at 4.09% and down 3 basis points from this time yesterday. And the price of gold will start today at $1,940 an ounce, down $4 from yesterday. But oil prices are up $1.50 and just on $83 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is at $86.50 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar starts today fractionally softer than yesterday at just under 59.6 US cents. Against the Aussie was softer as well at 92 Australian cents, but against the euro were firm at 54.9 euro cents. That all means our trade-weighted index is now still at 68.6 and again essentially unchanged. Get more news affecting the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston, and we'll do this again on Monday.